Scully, I got a package from one of my sources in the mail about Microsoft's next release of Office.
Oh, you mean Office 2000? That information was leaked in Wally's Office World a couple months ago.
Oh, thanks for sharing. My source tells me that in here we'll find all the information we need to know about the future of Microsoft's Office product.
Here, let me get that for you, Mulder.
Thanks. Scully, I have no idea what we'll find in here, but be prepared for anything.
Aren't I always when I'm with you, Mulder?
Very funny.
Ow!
You all right? What is that thing?
Seems I've stumbled across the recalculation engine for Excel.
Weird. Come on, we don't have time for this. Let's move on, Scully. Scully, look at this.
The message of the Sphinx. I don't get it, Mulder.
Message of the Sphinx. Of course, Scully. Sphinx is the code name of the new SQL engine in Access and MS Query in Office 2000.
Mulder, your source has a very strange sense of humor.
Let's move on.
Mulder, look at all these Spider-Man comic books. What does this mean?
Scully, I used to read Spider-Man all the time when I was a kid. Good old Web Slinger. Used to read it so much they called me Webhead.
Web Slinger. That's it. This clue is for the web-based features in Office 2000, Mulder. I remember reading about this. HTML is going to be the native format for Word, and all the applications are going to be able to publish in true HTML format. In fact, their aim is to have the web documents look as good, if not better, in the browser than on paper.
Isn't this also going to be the feature that allows you to do real-time collaboration with document conferencing and presentation broadcasting?
And Office 2000 will deliver reporting, analysis, and tracking applications that will enable easy access to this information for everyone. This is going to be possible because Office 2000 will be able to create Office web components such as charting and spreadsheets. For example, you can copy part of an Excel spreadsheet to a web page. When another Office 2000 user views that page, they can manipulate the spreadsheet snippet using an ActiveX control, and the source document remains unchanged.
Sounds complicated, Scully. Come on, we've got to push on. I know the specs for Office 2000 are around here somewhere.
Mulder, look at this picture.
What is it a picture of, Scully?
The evolution of man.
Evolution of man. Evolution. Of course. Darwin, Scully. This is Darwin, the new setup engine for all future Microsoft applications. Office 2000 is going to be the first one to use it.
What's so special about Darwin, Mulder?
What's so special? Scully, Darwin changes everything we know about setting up applications. Darwin's going to enable true flexible installations, including having some applications installed on the workstation, some run from the server, or some installed on demand. In fact, Darwin is going to analyze your hard drive and determine what Office applications you currently use and install only those applications.
Sounds an awful lot like Big Brother. Next you'll be telling me that they have Office applications that can think for themselves.
Well, Scully, not exactly conscious thought, but the applications are actually intelligent. Office 2000 will use intelligence to adapt to the way the individuals work, to help them be more productive. This personalization will make it easier for people to navigate the user interface, menus, toolbars, will automatically adjust to their personal usage patterns. The idea is that frequently used commands, based on what each individual does, will move to a more prominent position on the menus and toolbars. The word spike feature is going to be implemented in all applications. You'll be able to copy snippets of information from various sources, programs, and paste them into Office in one go. And Office 2000 applications will become more self-repairing, meaning they will know what files they need to launch and automatically replace them if they're missing or corrupted. Very cool, Scully.
That gives me the creeps worse than the Fluke Man ever did.
Scully, you're just resisting change. Customers suggested most of these changes. Microsoft's just trying to make an application consumers can use easily.
Wait until Janet Reno gets a hold of these specs.
Speaking of global conspiracy,
I don't recall us talking about a global conspiracy, Mulder.
Scully, Office 2000 is a global application. Look at the current version of Office that Microsoft ships. It ships in 36 languages. They ship English version. Several months later, they have to ship the other languages. There's compiling, testing, and then release of those languages. Well, with Office 2000, it looks like Microsoft's going to be able to ship the whole product at one time.
And this doesn't concern you at all, Mulder?
No, actually not. Support for all the languages will be built into the first product that ships. If a customer wants to type in Word in English and check it with an English dictionary, they can. If the next sentence is in Spanish and they have the Spanish dictionary installed, they can just check it with Spanish dictionary automatically.
I don't know, Mulder.
Well, regardless, let's move on.
Okay.
Scully, over here. Look at this box.
What is in it?
There are keys in it. Look at this, Scully. It's the Office 2000 specs. We got the information we needed.
Cool.
What was that, Scully?
I don't know, Mulder.